Hey, I'm Sean and welcome back to Throttle Out Motorsports. Today we're going to do a sound comparison and look comparison of 3 exhausts. We got the EVO, I got a straight pipe, Turbo S muffler I customized, and then I got a factory exhaust. So let's see which one sounds better. Okay, take 2. Forgot the radio was on. This here is from my cousin Dan. He had a 2017 base model turbo, the Fox edition. He took this off, put a Bikeman on, and then he sold the machine, so I got this. So this is a stock, still got the catalytic converter, spark arrestor, and then this was my exhaust. Basically, I just painted the cover when I painted the rest of the machine. All I did was I cut this out, put a straight pipe in, eliminated the cat, eliminated a couple bafflings, so now it just goes straight out. And with this test, I did have the spark arrestor out. I don't think it really made a difference because she was blown out anyways. So we'll see a noise comparison now, and then we're gonna end up with the evolution. I am not gonna lie, I kind of miss it being that quiet. You can actually hear the radio. I want to say my baffling is like the insulation that was in there. I don't know, it's like Mach 500 wind right now. Hopefully you can hear me. But I think my baffling is blown out because she's just crisp and raspy. Alright, let's check out this EVO. Alright, here's the comparison. I mean, obviously, those are the same. The red does make it look a lot better. And here's the difference. This is Turbo S. I believe they started this in 2020, maybe 2019. Nope, not 2019. But 2020 they started this heat shield as well. So there's that. That pipe just looks better going in there. It doesn't have this weld. The exhaust angles, almost looks like these two have a different angle as well. Could just be the color contrast. maybe get you out of the wind. So I am super happy that is not crazy loud. Pretty excited about that, so I'm leaving that on. So now my car is fully EVO, EVO tune, EVO charge tubes, EVO exhaust now. The only thing I went with aftermarket assassins was my clutch. So exhaust wise, I think that sounds good. My custom exhaust was pretty crisp and rowdy. You can't even go for a drive. Now granted, we'll see how this gets. I did like that stock exhaust note because it was, you could actually hear yourself think. I'm all about being loud and whatnot, but this got radio in it, and you just really had to crank it up, and you almost had to ride with a helmet on at all times because my straight pipe was pretty loud. So hey, hopefully this was good video for you, a good comparison. If you wanted to see what a straight piped exhaust sounded like, it's loud. Yeah, sure, it sounds cool. It echoes in the trees and everything. Me personally, when these things were stock, I actually like the way they sound. They're pretty deep and got a good mellow tone to it. But excited to see what that EVO one sounds like on the road. I'm not gonna do no drive-by right now. We literally have 30-mile-an-hour winds out there. So hey, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing. Catch you on the next one.